Welcome back and thank you for joining me again today. Our focus is we are going to be learning about fractions of an amount. So over here I've got some magnets, but we are just going to call them lollies. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I've got 12. Now when we're thinking about fraction of an amount, I could say half of 12. Now if I'm thinking about half of 12, I can go, okay, half of 12 is 6. But I've picked this so we can actually break it down. So to start off, this denominator means 2, so we're going to be having 2 groups. Making sure we've got 2 groups. The top is how many of the groups I am counting. I'm counting one of the groups. So I've got 6. If I don't want to do it through breaking it down like that, I can use the process. A half times 12 over 1. Because 12 is exactly the same as me saying 12 divided by 1. I can use my multiplication knowledge. 1 times 12 equals 12. 1 times 2 equals 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Let's do another question. I'll keep it as 12 for now. Three quarters of 12. Let's do it visually first with the magnets. So the first thing we need to be thinking about is our denominator. That tells us how many groups. We have 4 groups. One group, second group, third group, and a fourth group. So each group has 3 in it. My numerator is how many groups am I counting? I am counting 3 of my groups. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3. How many do I have in total? 3, 6, 9. So 3 quarters of 12 is 9. I can double check that through the process. 3 over 4 times 12. And remember, 12 is the same as 12 over 1. Equals 3 times 12, because I times my numerators and then I times my denominators. 3 times 12 is 12, 24, 36. 1 times 4 equals 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Wow, I got the same answer. Okay, I'm going to put a question up here. And I'm going to get you to have a go and I'll come back. Okay, so say I have 24 magnets and I am looking at only counting, I'm just doing it in my head, 2/3. 2/3 of 24. I would like you to have a go and I'll come back. Okay, hopefully you're able to pause the video and check your answers. And so now I'm going to go through this. So over here you can see that I have 24 magnets. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. I look at my denominator. It says 3. Which means that I am going to be creating 3 groups in total. Okay, So I've got equal groups now. So I've got 3, 6, 7, 8 in each. 8, 16, 24. Now, a top number 2 means how many of those groups am I counting? I'm counting 2 of the groups. So 2 of the groups is 8 plus 8 equals 16. Now let's double check that with the process. So I've got 2 over 3 and I'm multiplying by 24 over 1. 2 times 24. 2 times 24 equals 48. 1 times 3 equals 3. How many 3's in 48? 16. Got back to exactly the same answer. Thank you so much for having a go yourselves and enjoy the rest of your day.